Holy fuck, bro. It's been a minute, bro. My bad. Bro, I don't even know what to say. Like, it has been like at least 2 weeks and a half since I posted. I don't know, like, why it took me so long. I've just been so busy. I was gone for a week over Christmas. I didn't really trade over Christmas at all. Not really over break either. I don't know why, bro. I was actually being a little, like, fucking lazy. Like, I don't know, bro. But, we're back. I think I've had a lot of time to, like, reflect on all of my, like, trading, and I've realized, you know, like, what the fuck? Okay, that's not actually my account. Like, I just took time to reflect and be like, I want to stay consistent, but I also want to do what's best for me. So I'm thinking I'm starting to transition over to swing trading, and mostly trading U.S. stocks instead of Forex. And I still want to continue day trading, but as I start to move into swing I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, a lot more studying on, a lot more chart analysis. I'm going to be doing a lot of that in my own time, a lot more video uploads. So yeah, but I'm going to be doing both swing trading and normal trading. So, I have researched this over the last 2 days. It looks confusing. I'm confused. I don't really know how to start. I had a couple filters for certain U.S. stocks that I'm monitoring. I have some price alerts set up. Yeah. Some price alerts set up. Here, let me go to the daily, because it was on the daily that I was looking at. So I watched a couple videos. And I'm monitoring this. Where the fuck did my volume indicator go? We want both of these back. Okay. So, what I don't know, noticed or realized was what the person said in the video was, it's simple. What he does is it was 2 main indicators I saw. You have to have volume and you have to have the simple moving averages. So, I might link his video in the description because that really helped me. I really understood it better. I'll link his video and he has like a whole page that he kind of wrote out of like a list, kind of like an overview of the video. It kind of helps you more, gives you more visuals. But I was really interested. I was intrigued. I know a lot of people that are doing swing trading, a lot of people that have switched over from from day trading to swing trading, and I don't know. I think I would like to go in that direction because I've seen a lot of progress with my normal day trading, but there's something about swing trading that it just feels more reliable, I guess. It's focused on higher time frames. I feel like I can predict it better, and I feel like I can have a better win rate. And, there's higher profits. But you're also going to have to wait a little longer. You got to be patient. And it's U.S. trade stocks, so the U.S. trade stocks have a lot more volatility rather than if you just take Forex or futures or whatever. And, these can, boom, just burst up, like, a ton of points in one day, and then you're like, shit, I'll lose my profit. So from now on, if I swing trade, I'll also be day trade. Like if I already have a swing trade placed, I might look to day trade that day because swing trading is when you hold a trade for more than one day. So I think that's what my videos are mainly going to focus on from now on, and I think that's what I'm trying to get into. So I'll kind of give you a little overview of what he said. He said, you want to see a big leap, a big increase in price, a big move up. So over, days, weeks, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is almost a week. This is like a couple days. Strong move up. Not like a super strong. I know it's not a super strong move up, but it was kind of hard to find these stocks, and I'm still searching if I still have the right filters. Like, I'm still trying to find like how to find the ones that I want to pick. But Circle Internet Group was a better example. Was it? Maybe not. All right, here we go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is over like 12 days, almost 2 weeks. You have a good move up, and then you can see how the volume kind of dies out. This is what he's talking about. He said it goes in trends. So he said it goes in trends. Where the fuck is like, bro? What the fuck? Where do I find this shit at? Like, what the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Ray patterns. Okay. Yeah, so he said, okay, that's good. Okay, so he said it's going to move in patterns. So you're going to have a move up, and then it's going to kind of like die out. Like, die out, like, here, I'll show you how to do this better. So you're going to move up, and then you're going to kind of have, where's the drawing? You're going to kind of have like a die out, and then bang back up. And then you can have another kind of like die out, like it kind of goes die out, and you're going to have another move up. Or it could just be a move down. But, he said, you're going to go off of this when you're certain. Or, not when you're certain. God, I'm so fucking certain. I'm actually turning retarded. Go off of this when... How do I, like, quick delete? Can I, like, quick delete? Okay. So, there's got to be a good move up. And then you can kind of see how the volume kind of dies down. It's kind of, whittling away. That's a fucking word. Whittling away. And, well, it's whittling away. You should be able to see higher highs and higher lows. But it's still whittling away. Like, it's not really, like, showing a strong trend. And then he said, you can look for a breakout. So, you can look for the stock breakout. Let me try to find a good example of this. This is a fucking awful stock to see. Let's do this one. I think I found a good. This is like, what the fuck is this, bro? Holy shit. Jesus Christ, dude. Can I find like a good... Holy shit. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. No. God damn it. Yeah, I think I put the wrong filter on some of these. Fuck. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, this is like perfect. Thank God I find one. I promise it's more common than you think. I went through them last night. And I couldn't stop seeing this. And I still am new to this, so I probably missed a couple. But look, strong move up. volume whittling down, just whittling down. Then you can see a breakout. So you want to enter usually around the first hour of market open, and like I think wait, I'll see it. Bro, why am I not seeing this? God, why am I not seeing this, bro? I want to enter when it's like market open. I want to enter. It's market open. Strong move up, whittle down. Raise previous day's high. Alright, my bad, bro. Fucking embarrassing. My dad, bro. I'm not trying to let him. Not trying to let him know that I be doing this shit. Or that I be like fucking posting this, cause he's not gonna fuck with that. Is that better? Right? That's perfect. Alright. Okay. So, what you'll have is you wanna enter once this candle reaches, once you see a breakout candle, and you can see a breakout candle, you wanna enter off the 1 minute or the 5 minute. So, please tell me it's gonna go look in the 5 minute. If I mark this out, bro, please. Give me the mark out a horizontal line. So previous day high, it's gonna be here. Could also always enter off here. Let me go make a box, just so I know where I am. So it's gonna be like, so this is going to be the breakout candle. Let's go down to the 5 minute. What the fuck, dude? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. You're actually fucking kidding me. Alright, we're going back to fucking daily. Okay. I'll give a better example. Promise. Because this shit is literally everywhere. Okay. So, you see on this breakout candle, you want to mark out the previous day high. Mark out previous day high. Right there. You go down the 5 minute. And you can see a strong break. Because if a candle like this is going way up and over the previous day high. That's not the previous day high. But, like, this is a mini ass candle. Like, why the fuck would you want to go off something that's like mini and it could happen at any fucking moment? I want to go off something that at least shows us some confirmation. Like, a little, like, it gives us a hint. You know what I mean? So, that's where I'd do it. I'd set it there. And on the 5 minute, this big ass candle going over the 6.54, when it had 6.54, is going to show us, like, shit. I'm gonna show us shit. That's a strong candle. It's gonna be like, like fucking like 5 candles just straight blue going up, straight blue, or you guys probably have green, straight up. So it's gonna be clear that there's a breakout happening. You enter off the breakout. You set your stop loss on the previous day's low, and you set your take profit, wherever you want. You take profit, which should be 40 to 50% of your account. You should only be risking 1% of your account each trade for this. And the way you get out of the trade is you sell 10, 20, or 30% somewhere in between those ranges. So you could do 15, 25, somewhere in those ranges. Once your profit becomes 5 times your risk. So if you're risking $1,000 and your profit hits $5,000, and it's kind of showing that it's whittling down again and volume's going down and it's kind of the end of the trend, you might only be wanting to risk. You might want to sell 30%. But if it's showing strong, bullish movement, it sees that it's just going to be blowing through, um, you know, that price where you hit your 5x profit from your risk, you might only want to sell 10%. And then once you sell, you are moving your stop loss back to where you bought in, so that either way you won. Even if you end up getting stopped out, you won either way. And then you sell whenever price comes back into the 10%, the simple moving average, the 10 simple moving average. So, when price hit it there, you could sell there, but it's difficult because, it depends. If this is not 5 extra profit, you don't want to sell there. If you already get 5 extra profit, keep going. It keeps going up. And then it kind of gets back in here. You sell everything. And boom. So that's what my strategy is. I got this from someone else. I bet it's not going to be my strategy in the next month. But I think it's a good starting thing. This guy seemed reputable. I really enjoyed him. I haven't seen him before. Morgan Trades, shouting you out, bro. He definitely knows what he's doing. So, he's definitely been successful from this. And I don't know, I want to share with you my fucking, my breakthrough on this and what I thought about this. So, yeah. Other than that, after we get over the swing trading, we'll find 2 more examples, and then we'll go start to work on where in the fuck did I go? Where was I just reviewing this? Right here, right? Yeah, right here. Okay. We can find more examples. We can find more examples. But again, you want a stock that is, a big market mover, okay? You want a stock that, has shown a lot of success in the market and volatility, because holy fuck. Because you can't just have some bullshit that okay, here's another example. Big move, volume. Big move up, volume. Whittle down, higher highs, higher lows, boom, breakout. Another one, big volume. Higher highs, higher lows, breakout. Volume's decreasing. Up here, volume's decreasing, and then it kind of went down, which is fine. But here could be another one, higher highs, not really higher highs. But, it's something to watch. This is the one I was watching. Vanguard is a big one I was watching. Or Venture Global. Vanguard, bro, is a fucking index fund. Big move. Kind of whittling down. Volume's whittling down. I set a price alert. So anytime that it hits this, and I'm not looking at it, big noise will come off. Shit. Time to buy. Same thing with this. Set price alert. And you also want to look at this when your moving averages look up. And also when the 20 crosses above, or the 10 crosses above the 20. The 10 is the black, the blue is the 20. When 10 crosses above the 20, that's also what you want to look for. That, kind of shows that it's good. When 10 crosses below, it's not good. But you can see that they're close. So something that I'm going to be monitoring the next few days. AWR is something that I definitely could be monitoring. This is why I marked it out. You see the volume decreasing. I bet it'll keep decreasing from here. Hopefully not crazy. And let's see this one. Another one I could be watching. Big move up. See spikes in volume. Boom. Boom. Spike in volume. increasing, breakout. Volume increasing, breakout. But you know, this is like hard to, like, I'm looking at these and I'm like, like it fits the example, but it's not like textbook. Like the one I showed you was textbook. Like that one was textbook. But this guy swore by it, so. And I'm new, so who else am I gonna go to? I'm not gonna fucking figure this shit out by myself, because I mean, everyone needs a little help. But alright, let's go look at today. USD today. Fuck, you guys don't need to see that shit. Fuck me, bro. Whatever. Look on the daily. Alright, the daily. I'm logging out of this shit, bro. Okay, oh god. I cannot let you guys fucking see this shit. Like, this is my. So, today, I did not trade today, bro. I had fucking classes again. It actually pisses me off. I'm so limited on when I can trade. It actually makes me so mad. I was bored today, but then I looked at it and I was like, everything's going down, so why don't I look for a retracement? Oh. So I looked for a retracement. Let's just skip down to the 15. So I was looking at the 15 today. 130, 10, 10, 10, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Alright. So this is a good example. Mark out an order block. Price comes in at 9. Hits the order block. 9:30. Opens. Bearish candle at 10. Boom. Down. But this is also on the 15. Nobody's fucking doing that shit. On the 5. For a better setup. Better setup. Again. I got this order block at 9. Have also a inverse fair value gap. This is 2 corresponding things. Liquidity sweep. Another fair value gap. This was inversed. So, but it did not reach this liquidity up here. So it goes down. It made this inverse value gap. This is an inverse value gap. Whoa. Go off this candle right here. Two previous areas of liquidity. I don't know who is marking out this shit all the way down here. I'd probably mark out somewhere along here. But yeah. This was a good day today. Still see all these people like marking out fucking they'll go on like futures and they'll go to the 8 a.m. and they'll mark out a 15-minute fucking first 15-minute candle at 8. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like trying to learn. I keep seeing this shit everywhere. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 3, 3, 3, 3. All right, 4. Oh yeah, 9:30. But oh, then how the fuck are they trading futures? I'm so. Oh, bro, maybe they're it's gotta be 4x then. Am I retarded? Like, I could have sworn this fucker said he was trading futures. Okay. Go to the 8 to 8:15 candle. Looks like it's gonna work. 8 to the 8:15 candle. Mark that bitch out. Oh, we need a GAN box for this. Where the fuck is the GAN box at? GAN box. I need to start the GAN box. That shit's low-key helpful. It's a little off, but it's fine. Restart the game box real quick. Where the fuck did it go? Okay. Alright. Head down to 5. Price. This is fucking midpoint. I'm still confused on how they did it. So they looked at this 15-minute. Okay, what? Spider. Mark out all this shit. No, it was just this fucking candle on the 15. Yeah. Let's go to 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Looking for shorts today. Did it go to done? It got into this. Yeah. It went in the midpoint, retraced, and it went down. Who would have fucking knew? Imagine you get this move all the way up here. No one's guessing that shit though. Huh. I'm gonna go look at another one from another day. Go to the 15 on the day before. 5. Where's the 5th day? 5, 12, 8, 15. That candle is fucked, dude. What? 8. Okay, going on the 1. And it was like, see which area it's blown through first. So it went down, so then we're looking for our cells. And take one off that. And I was like, what area is blown through first? Down, so then we're looking for a retest. Goes up in here. So you see how they predicted that move? Well, that's a fat ass fucking order block. Could just use that shit instead of this bullshit like 15-minute GAN box shit, bro. Oh my god. It's still 8:48 though. Like, we still have so much shit to. Bro, this shit does not work. Alright, let's analyze it, like, actually. Okay. Fair value gap. Let's get a small ass fucking fair value gap. Price does not respect the fair value gap. 905. Market open here. We do have consolidation here. So we do have a lot of consolidation here. Price does test back up to this fat order block. And shit. That's what I like. I like order blocks. Like, you see it everywhere. Huh. You literally see it everywhere. Like, you can't miss a fucking order block, bro. We have this fair value gap. Turns into an inverse fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap. Price goes up here. Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh.
Bro, can you leave?
Do you
No. Can you leave? I'm busy right
I
now.
have a question.
What?
You said you were doing nothing.
Stop. Can I answer it in 3 seconds?
Okay, sorry.
Alright. Bro, like 5 minutes.
Okay.
Bye. God damn it. I don't get why fucking people annoy me. Alright. So, inverse value gap. Price hit this order block again. Broke through it, so we're looking at another point of interest. Just going to be right here. Or possibly this fair value gap. Ooh, no. Ooh, no. Still this fucking small ass fair value gap. I don't talk about fucking swing trading. This shit's literally working right now, bro. Yeah. It just hit that shit. I went down. What was that? 10:05. Go off right here. 10:06. Alright. Let's look at the day before. 4 at 8 a.m. A 15-minute 30, 31, 4 second 4, bro, what the fuck? What was a bank holiday? What? So we haven't on. Oh, because that's the weekend. New Year's is gonna be one. Okay, we'll just go back a little bit. Let's go to 23rd. 15. 8. Mark out this candle. This candle didn't even get fucking hit. Like, what the fuck are they talking? Sometimes I actually don't understand this shit at all. Okay. Let's see what they were doing. So it was like put through the middle. What happened first? Price burst through this area where buy. The price got in there. We're going for sales, but like there's a fucking buy right there. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay, we're going to the 1 minute. This shit. What, bro? What? Dude. Okay, yeah. Flood my AP. Bro, you're dead ass kidding me. 30, 20. It's so much longer to go. Okay, we're going back to 5. This was fucking 33 minutes long. Jesus Christ. It's fine. It's my biggest video yet. It's gonna be a fucking banger. I don't understand this 15-minute bullshit. What I'm seeing right now is a order block being hit, and it's expected down here. I'm also seeing fair value gap get hit, and it goes down. I'm also seeing a inverse fair value gap here, and it goes down. I mean, like, I'm seeing a liquidity sweep here and fair value gap, but this fair value gap never gets touched. So you don't see a retest, but you see a retest later, yes, but we don't. It's irrelevant at that that point because it's fucking 5 o'clock. Huh. See a big doji that rejects the upside. Can't go off of the fucking doji though. Can notice a doji. Can't go off of it. But yeah, if this is the fucking 15-minute candle, like what bullshit was happening on December 23rd that really like. Okay, so they go up. Price comes down there. We're gonna wait for a retest. Never a fucking retest. Like, I don't really fuck with that, bro. See fair value get inverse. Okay. That would make sense, but it's so small, like. From my AP. I mean, that is the fucking smallest fucking. I mean, you have an inverse fair value gap. It's not very big. Inverse fair value gap. And then you can see another fair value gap. Like, I mean, I guess, bro. That's all I gotta say. I think we're gonna end it. It's too long. But, yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to swing trade. But you'll see a lot more content lately and a lot more trading that I'm gonna try. A lot more reviews. Because I need to get back into posting. So, yeah. Peace.